Shalom, it's Tehila from the Kefar with our bi-weekly Hebrew vocabulary lesson. So for the last two lessons, we've been talking about various articles of clothing. And this week we are going to continue by talking about accessories and jewelry. And I'm also going to teach you another verb that we use that's specific to wearing or putting on jewelry. So we learned lovesh and loveshet for wearing clothing, but there's another verb that we use to wear jewelry. So I'll teach you that as well. All right, so we're going to start with avizarim. Avizarim. Avizar is an accessory. Avizarim, accessories, plural. And we'll start with a kova. Kova is a hat, and it's a masculine noun. And then we have chagura. Chagura is a belt, and that's a feminine noun. And then we have tsaif, which is a scarf. Tsaif is a masculine noun. Okay, so our avizarim are kova, chagura, and tsaif. Okay, kova is hat, chagura is belt, tsaif is scarf. Ele avizarim. These are accessories. Ele avizarim. Okay, and now we have tachshitim. Tachshitim. Tachshit is a piece of jewelry, and tachshitim, plural, just refers to jewelry as a whole. Okay, so we first have sharsheret, which is a chain or a necklace, and this is a feminine noun. We have tsamid. Tsamid is a bracelet, and it's a masculine noun. We have agilim. Agilim, agil echad, shnei agilim. Earrings, agil is singular, agilim plural, and these are masculine. Sha'on yad, which is a watch, and it's also masculine. So the word sha'on means clock, and yad is hand. So sha'on yad is a clock that you wear in your hand, which obviously we call a watch. And the last is tabat, and tabat is a ring, and this is a feminine noun. So sharsheret and tabat are both feminine, and then we have tsamid, agilim, and sha'on yad, which I'm not wearing. Okay, also a bonus one because I have it in is nezim. Nezim is a nose ring. So agilim, nezim, just extra bonus word for you. So the word for to wear jewelry, or the verb, is la'anod. And la'anod means to wear jewelry or to put on jewelry. Okay, so for instance, ani onedet sharsheret, ani onedet tsamid, ani onedet nezim, ani onedet agilim, ani onedet tabat, ani lo onedet sha'on yad. Ainli, I don't have. Ainli sha'on yad, ani lo onedet sha'on yad. Okay, this is a regular pa'al verb. So if you've been keeping up with the verb videos, it's verbs lesson number 1. You can learn how to conjugate this in the singular and also in the plural. We're just going to stick to the singular for this video. So I'll show you 4 pictures and we'll conjugate the verb in the singular form. So here is a man wearing a watch. So hu oned. Oned is the masculine singular. Sha'on yad. Hu oned sha'on yad. And again, sha'on yad is masculine. The masculine person is wearing it, but those things are not connected. Okay, so if a woman was wearing a watch, he onedet sha'on yad. Sha'on yad does not change. Now we have a woman wearing earrings. She onedet agilim. Okay, he onedet agilim. And this is a perfect example of what I was just talking about, where we have agilim, plural, masculine. Even though a woman is wearing it, it doesn't change the gender of what she has on. Okay, and if you're describing earrings, for instance, you're going to describe them using masculine adjectives, even if it's a woman who's wearing it, because you're not describing her, you're describing the earrings. So for instance, ani onedet agilim ktanim. Lo agilim gdolim, agilim ktanim. Okay, he onedet agilim gdolim, agilim gdolim, agilim shachorim, shachorim. Okay, shachor meaning black, and since agilim is masculine plural, then we're also going to make the color plural. So shachorim, agilim shachorim, black earrings, agilim gdolim, big earrings, agilim ktanim, small earrings. Then we have a boy wearing a necklace. So hu oned shalsheret. Again, another example. Shalsheret is feminine. doesn't change even though a boy is wearing it. And it doesn't mean that it's a feminine necklace. It's just a noun that is feminine. And the last one, we have a woman who is wearing both a bracelet and two rings. Two rings. Okay? As he onedet, samid, ve tabaot. So tabaat is singular, tabaot is plural. And the ve means and. Now in English, and is its own word, just like the is its own word. In Hebrew, it's not. It attaches, it's like a prefix. It attaches to the word that comes after it. So bracelet and earrings in Hebrew is bracelet and earrings. Okay, so tsamid vetabaot. All right. Before I let you go, I want to tell you about a new Hebrew through reading series that I'm doing. I take a quote, there's audio, break it down bit by bit so you can learn a little bit about Hebrew grammar, also get the vocabulary, show you how to decipher meaning from something that you read so you can learn and improve your vocabulary that way. And there's a poll at the end that I would really love for you to take. It's the latest entry on my blog, thekefar.com/blog. So check it out, take the poll, and let me what you think. Let me know what you think. Don't judge me. Okay, so that's it. Toda latzfiya. Thank you for watching. If you have comments, feedback, questions, let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, if it's helpful for you, please share it. That's incredibly helpful and supportive for me, and it's free, costs you nothing, takes 2 seconds. And follow me on social media. And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I will see you next week for the verb video and the week after that for our next vocabulary video. Shalom.